motion in respect of clause 2 of the bill.
Accordingly. 9. A new subclause being inserted as follows. Subclause 30 for Article 22, the following shall be substituted: letter of credit, that is to say the instrument including application and agreements for opening letters of credit by which one person authorized.
That clause 1 do stand part of the bill. Those who are for the motion may say aye. Those who are against it may say no. The ayes have it, and the clause 1 do stand part of the bill. Now preamble. Honorable Chief Minister, may please make the motion in respect of.
Sir, I move that the preamble do stand part of the bill.
The motion is that preamble do stand part of the bill. Those who are for the motion may say aye. Those who are against it may say no. The ayes have it, and preamble do stand part of the bill. Title of the bill.
Sir, I move that the title of the bill do stand part of the bill.
The motion is carried. Now discussion on general principles of the bill.
सर मैं ये पहले ही बता चुका हूँ जनरल प्रिंसिपल्स के बारे में। मैं खाली आगे चले इसलिए कि मैंने उससे पहले ही एक्सप्लेन कर दिया था कि रीजंस क्या है इस बिल को पेश करने के लिए। तो इजाजत। प्रॉपर्टी such amount does not exceed 50,000, 10 rupees, where such amount exceeds 50,000 but does not exceed rupees 2 lakhs, 20 rupees, where such amount exceeds rupees 2 lakhs but does not exceed 5 lakhs, 50 rupees, where such amount exceeds 5 lakh rupees but does not exceed 10 lakh rupees, 100 rupees, when such amount exceeds 10 lakhs but does not exceed 25 lakh, 500 rupees, where such amount exceeds 20 lakhs